Alright, so here is a room at Camelot. There's the door to come in. And there's a kitchenette right there.
No, stop.
And this is the view outside our room.
Mickey!
Go outside.
Look, there's the Matterhorn. And there's a pool.
We got a pool. Like
2 more beds. Oh, and it comes with 2 refrigerators, which is great, and a microwave.
This is all safe.
Armoire.
and
There's the bathroom over there.
And here's chairs.
Okay, and here's the pool area. Up here on the 4th floor. There was our room over there. Final review of the Camelot. So we stayed here about a week. Love the location to Disneyland. Easy to walk to and from every day. Clean rooms. Here's the parking lot. Now that's a negative. You have to pay to park your car. 15 bucks a day. So that was our negative. Okay, here we go. Walking back to our room. Checking out. Backing everything up.